I'm Darryl Coakley, the Senior Franchise Launch Specialist at the Football Fun Factory. We're a children's football coaching franchise. Our aim is to put fun football sessions on the doorsteps of children across the whole world. At the moment, we're operating within the UK and Ireland. We have over sort of 100 franchisees of the country. We want to use football as a vehicle for child development. We've been building franchisees for a number of years now, and I guess different to other franchise organizations potentially where they're operating from one site, so then they maybe need access to a certain amount of people for their franchise. Our franchisees are operating from a number of different venues, and we rely on those venues being available at the particular times that we deliver sessions. So there'll always be an element of us building franchises from the bottom up, where we look at all venues within the local community, find which ones are available, best placed within the geographical spread of what their community map might be. Smappen has allowed us to then also have a consideration of some top-down features as well. Franchise metrics for the community, how many primary schools, how many secondary schools, how many sports centres, leisure centres, at the click of a button. I think Smappen has come in and really solved that. A lot of the legwork that we were doing in an instant, by sort of either searching by postcode or drawing some manual maps that we can do on Smappen. So I think it's come in and I think transformed the amount of time that we've been spending. The conversations that we can have with franchisees really early, I think it's enhanced the quality of those conversations and really been able to push the franchisees to build a community that's going to work for them quicker than it did before.